The facilities play a vital role in the development of a school or an institute. The indoor and outdoor facilities of SoIM, School of Innovation and Management, includes outdoor gyms, secured accommodation, and yoga facilities for a healthy body and mind. The heart of the business school, sports. The indoor sport facilities include chess, caroms, and table tennis. We also have a huge indoor complex for badminton. The outdoor sport facilities include volleyball, throwball net with a spacious ground for kho-kho, kabaddi, relay, and various sports. There is also a vast and enormous basketball court. Our management also provides transport facility for the students and staff on payment basis. Our business school also accommodates the students who wish to stay in the hostel. The infrastructure of hostel is truly admiring with modern facilities, and also it is very spacious. We also have a beautiful infrastructure library. The salient features of library are spacious and serene environment is spread over 15,044 square meters of area with duplex construction.